Salam doston. Hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. This is week 42 of our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So let's get started. Train, қатора or poezd. Қатор or қатора, they mean the same thing, train. Or another one, поезд. So poezd is from Russian, but it's more common. And I don't really hear people saying қатора. So that's why in our sentence, we use поезд, not қатора. So the sentence, Sheldon likes trains. Sheldon поездҳоро дӯст медорад. Sheldon поездҳоро дӯст медорад. Car, мошин. Moshin or moshina, just like with a train, қатор, қатора, it's the same. But moshin is more common. So the sentence, whose car is that? In moshini kist. In moshini kist or in moshinei kist. You can also say in moshini ki ast. It's the same. In moshinei ki ast. It's just that kist is the short form of ki ast. Airplane, tayёра or Samalot. Tayёra or Samalot. Just like with a train, we use more the Russian version, Samalot. It's more common. So, Alisher went to Xoruq by airplane. Alisher bo tayёра ba Xoruq raft. Alisher bo tayёra ba Xoruq raft. And Alisher here is a male name. Xoruq is the capital of Gorno-Badakhshan region and it's south-central Tajikistan. And their language is very different. They have their own language and we don't understand them at all, but they can speak Tajik too. Taxi, takсӣ. Taxi, easy. So let's go by taxi. Биёед бо таксӣ равем. Биёед бо таксӣ равем. Next stop, истгоҳи оянда or истгоҳи навбатӣ. Истгоҳи навбатӣ or истгоҳи оянда. Okay? Истгоҳи навбатӣ or истгоҳи оянда. So what's the next stop? Истгоҳи навбатӣ кадом аст? Истгоҳи навбатӣ кадом аст? Last stop. Истгоҳи охир. Истгоҳи охир. Истгоҳи охир. So this is the last stop, said the driver. In истгоҳи охирин аст, гуфт ронанда. In истгоҳи охирин аст, гуфт ронанда. Every 10 minutes. Har 10 дақиқа. Har 10 дақиқа. Har 10 дақиқа. So, the sentence, there is a bus every 10 minutes. Har 10 дақиқа як автобус меравад. Har 10 дақиқа як автобус меравад. And if you want to change it to every 20 minutes, har 20 دقیقه. Every 5 minutes, har 5 دقیقه. And if you don't know how to say the numbers in Tajik or if you want a review, we have a video about that and the link is down below. Every hour, har soat. Har soat. Har soat. So the sentence, a free bus goes to the city center once every hour. Автобуси ройгон har soat як маротиба ба маркази шаҳр меравад. Автобуси ройгон har soat як маротиба ба маркази шаҳр меравад. Several times a day. Дар як рӯз якчанд маротиба. Дар як рӯз якчанд маротиба. Дар як рӯз якчанд маротиба. So, he drinks coffee several times a day. Вай дар як рӯз якчанд маротиба қаҳва менӯшад. Вай дар як рӯз якчанд маротиба қаҳва менӯшад. Schedule, ҷадвал. Ҷадвал. And the sentence, the aeroplane's departure is on schedule. Парвози тайёра аз рӯи ҷадвал сурат мегирад. Парвози тайёра аз рӯи ҷадвал сурат мегирад. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Khair.